The Nissan Z. Surprisingly affordable performance in 2026, the notion of an affordable sports car feels increasingly outdated. Rising prices, complex maintenance, and expensive insurance often make performance vehicles a luxury reserved for deep pockets. However, the 2026 Nissan Z challenges this assumption. While not cheap outright, it stands out as one of the most accessible options for enthusiasts who want serious horsepower without breaking the bank. Why this matters? The vanishing V6, the modern automotive landscape, is shifting rapidly towards electric and turbocharged four-cylinder engines. The Nissan Z is one of the last remaining V6-powered sports cars on the market, offering a nostalgic driving experience that many enthusiasts crave. This dwindling availability makes it unique and potentially valuable, even as depreciation kicks in. Ownership costs. A breakdown over 5 years, owning a Nissan Z is estimated to cost around $28,000 in fuel, maintenance, and insurance, significantly less than competitors like the Porsche 718 Cayman or BMW Z4. While $28,000 isn't negligible, it's a competitive figure in a segment where running costs often spiral. Here's a more detailed look. Fuel, $11,000, based on 15,000 miles a year at 1922 mpg. Maintenance, $2,248 over 5 years, beating the industry average by over $1,000. Insurance, $14,905, slightly better than average but still a substantial expense. Financing, $8,777, assuming a 72-month loan with a 6.99% APR and 20% down payment. The price of performance. Initial investment, the 2026 Nissan Z starts at $42,970, making it cheaper than many rivals. The Nismo model, with 420 horsepower, begins at $65,750, still undercutting the BMW M2 by a few $1,000s. The key takeaway is that the Nissan Z provides more performance for the money compared to established competitors. Reliability and long-term value. Nissan's reputation for reliability translates into lower maintenance costs. CarEdge estimates a 17.94% chance of a major repair in the first 10 years, which is better than many comparable vehicles. While depreciation will be significant, estimated at $23,731 over 5 years. Proper maintenance and reasonable driving habits can help mitigate losses. The smart play. Buying used to bypass the initial depreciation hit, consider purchasing a used Nissan Z. A 2023 model can be found for around $27,000, while a 2024 Nismo may cost $43,000, substantial savings compared to buying new. This strategy allows you to enjoy the performance benefits without absorbing the steepest value decline. In conclusion, the 2026 Nissan Z offers an increasingly rare combination of performance, style, and relative affordability. It's not a cheap car, but it provides more value for the money than many rivals, making it a sensible choice for enthusiasts who want a thrilling driving experience without emptying their wallets.